Alright, so we are at San Francisco Sports Cars in San Carlos. Make sure I don't get run over by this Maybach or Mercedes. For our Cars and Coffee. We haven't been here since 2022, I want to say. We missed last year. So it's always great being at this wonderful facility. So first 50 customers who signed up, or participants who signed up, got free coffee from them. It's Auto Vino. But let's go over what we have in front of us today. So we got a G26 M440 right here, Portimao Blue. That's Eric Chung's previous generation 4 Series Grand Coupe F36 in the Storal Blue. My Signal Green M3 CS. And we got, I'll start with Bill Broder's E36 M3 Lightweight. If you haven't seen this one before, Bill brings it out to a lot of different events. So if you come to most, I don't say most, but many of our events, you'll see this car in person. It is driven. So I think he's got over 100,000 miles on this E36 M3 Lightweight. The interior, it's a lovely car. All right, move around the front here. So I believe, let's see, I'm guessing here it might be a E12 5 Series. We've got 8 Series in front of us. And over here, M3 Comp. And Ferdinand's E46 M3. And E30 M3. F90 M5. And that Lamborghini STO is taken off, so we just missed that one. E30 over here. Another E30. And F82. The modded interior parts. And for badging on the intercooler. And another F82 next to it. An E46 convertible. And this is really the star of the show here. It's the Alpina Z8 Roadster. So super rare car. So powered, I think it's called the S62 from the E39 M5. Unfortunately, this one, I shouldn't say unfortunately, it's an automatic transmission.
If you just step over the line, you know, boom. Yeah. So I said, thank you.
You zoom in there.
I appreciate it.
There's that Alpina badge in there.
As soon as I got down to the clear light turnoff, I'm out of here.
Those Alpina wheels. We got our F1 Cafe. And E39. And our requisite Porsches. An F80 M3. And X5 Manhattan Green. And M4 manual transmission. And I think this might be a Rosa Corsa F90 M5 Comp. And I've seen this car before. It's a Signal Green X3M competition. Carbon fiber side gill, breather gills. And a very bold interior with secure orange. But a pretty looking, good looking X3M. Porsche rolling out. And we got another E30. Z3. And we got a Roadrunner here. And a Mustang. Make our way down here So M2CS in Masano blue, the gold 763Ms, and the gold carbon ceramic brakes. So pretty good looking car on Cup 2s. And E34. Another E30. An F30. A Range Rover. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and make our way inside the showroom. It's always a great treat to take a look at what cars are in here. It's a fantastic selection of cars. And we got another F80 M3 CS pulling in San Marino blue. Alright, make our way inside. We can go a little bit more widescreen here. So here's what greets you. Now I'm probably going to blank on a lot of these car names. We've got a Corvette here. Make our way to the right. So an SL65 AMG. I believe this is a Ferrari 812. An Audi R8. Another 812. So this would be a Aperta maybe? 812 GTS. Lovely seats. Another Ferrari. Of course, another Corvette here. Then we got a McLaren 720S. Old Mercedes. And I think it's a 612 Spaghetti, whatever it is. But monthly Grand Tour V12. Porsche Targa 911. Then we got a Bentley. And a F430 Ferrari. Then we got a few Porsches back here. It's a GT3 RS. The Visac package. Just look at all the carbon fiber on this thing. And the interior. I think that's 918 hybrid green. The requisite picnic table in the back. Another Porsche. And of course, a turbo here. And a GT3 Touring, so that's the manual transmission GT3. Look at those wheels. Manual transmission. 7-speed, I believe. A whale tail Porsche. We got our Jag. Another Corvette. 356. Aston Healey. Either a 308 or a 328 GTS. Corvette back there. Nope, let me go the other way so I'm not running into this Aston Healey. A Shelby Cobra. A Z. And a race car up there. Followed by another race car down there. Another 612 Spaghetti. It's a 458. We got the Beetle, old truck, RS 4.0 up there, Alpha, and a Lotus down there. Chevy truck, old school. Mercedes up there. It's a Can-Am car down there. Another 356. Another Ferrari up here. a Bugatti, a Ford GT maybe? Hard to tell what it is. It's not great with older cars. A Mercury Cougar, an S63 AMG drop top. It's got 488. Another one up there. The newer generation Ford GT. Lots of carbon fiber on this one. Crazy, and also not for sale. A Porsche up there. Let me go back outside and wrap up our tour of our cars and coffee here at San Francisco Sports Cars. But that's it. Hopefully we'll see you at our next Cars and Coffee.